Okay, so next topic is torque on dipole in a uniform electric field. Now, dipole we know that a system of two equivalent opposite charges. Uniform electric field from some charge. Okay, since electric field we have taken in this direction, it means there is some positive charge here. Okay, from which the electric field lines are coming out. Okay, it is uniform means same everywhere, right? I have just drawn two lines to show that electric field is here. Actually, lots of line can be shown. Okay, now what is torque? Torque is basically similar to force, but the action of torque is to rotate any object. Now let us say why this is known as torque. We keep a dipole in this uniform electric field. Now suppose this angle is theta. Okay, so dipole is kept at an angle theta with the electric field. Okay, now this plus q charge, it will be acted on a force in this direction due to this electric field. If we calculate the force on this charge, it will be what? Here F is equal to QE. Now since positive charge is here, this is also positive charge, so it will be a repulsion. Okay, now this charge, since it is a negative charge, it will get attracted, so the force on this charge will be in this direction. Again, this is also QE. Okay, ignoring the negative sign, sign will tell you what? The direction of force. So we know that this force is in this direction. Now this system is acted upon by two forces, one at this point and one at this point. Both are in the opposite direction. So these forces will rotate this system like clockwise. Okay, the system will go like this way. Okay, so we need to find torque. The definition of torque is what? Any one force. If two forces are there, we take only one force and the perpendicular distance between these forces. Right? So any one force, that is F, and the perpendicular distance between these two forces is this. Let us say this is B. Okay, we need to find this perpendicular distance. Now if you look at this triangle, we know that any dipole system is of distance 2a. Okay, so if we, and this is the angle theta, so what is my sine theta? Sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so here D is equal to what? 2a sine theta. So from this point we can say that torque on the dipole is force into distance, which is QE into 2a sine theta. Correct? Now 2a and q, we already know this thing, that it is known as dipole moment. So we can write it like P E sine theta. Right? Now P is also a vector quantity, E is also a vector quantity. Correct? Now do you know any operation that involves two vector quantity and a sine of angle? Sine between what? Sine between dipole moment and electric field. So basically this theta is angle between P and E. We know one formula in vector, which is P cross E. Correct? So in vector, we know this formula that P cross E is what? P E sin theta. So torque, which is denoted like this, tau is equal to what? P cross E. So the maximum torque is when theta is what? 90 degree. So you can say tau max is PE sin 90, which is equal to what? PE. What is this position? This position is like plus Q is here, minus Q is here, like this. So when dipole is in vertical direction with the electric field, means it perpendicular direction with the electric field, it will experience a maximum force. Minimum when sin 0, which is what? 0. So when the dipole is in this position, minus Q plus Q, like this. So the torque will try to move the dipole like this, right? If you place a dipole at an angle theta with the electric field, it will experience a torque which will try to move the torque parallel to the electric